All right, I got this ChromaCast 6-pocket gig bag for bases. I've had this one for a few years. It's been thrown around a little. It's still holding up good. It's a padded gig bag, but it isn't really a super padded gig bag. It's more padded on the front than it is on the back. So the feature I like, it's got a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets on it. 5, 6 pockets on it. Pocket here, and a pocket here. It's held up well over continued use. It's got a handle here, and it's got a handle here, which I actually find kind of useful. One thing I will point out though is if they've got padding here where your strap button goes, make sure when you set it down that your strap button's actually sitting on this padding, or else it'll go off to the side and it'll poke a hole through here. I don't have it on this one, but I've had that happen on another one, so I'm very cautious of it now. But overall, for the price, it's a good product. They give you a strap with it that actually is a pretty decent strap. It's not my style, and I probably won't use it. Never hurts to have an extra strap to throw in the gig bag, and they give you some picks too. On the back, it has a shoulder harness to go along with the 2 handles. But pretty cool product for the price. It's held up well over the last, say, 3-4 years, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'd buy it again.